In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Outlook emails in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your inbox or streamline your communications, knowing how to effectively use filters in Outlook is an essential skill. By the end of this video, you'll be able to sort through your emails with ease and save valuable time every day. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access the Outlook login page. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft 365 website or directly searching for Outlook login in your preferred search engine. Once you've reached the login page, you'll notice it's quite straightforward. Here you'll need to click on the sign in button, which will redirect you to the appropriate login screen. If you haven't already saved your credentials, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Be sure to double check both your email and password for any typos or errors, as incorrectly entering them might lead to a failed login attempt. Once you've successfully logged into Outlook, you'll be directed to your mail section, which will display your inbox filled with all your recent emails. This is where the magic happens. Now, to start setting up filters, we're going to look for the filter option. You'll find this option right at the top of your inbox, typically towards the right hand side. Clicking on filter will reveal a drop down menu that gives you several choices for sorting your emails. Now let's talk about the various options available. This menu allows you to filter your emails by several criteria, such as unread messages, flagged messages, or even messages with attachments. Each filter category serves a unique purpose. For instance, if you're trying to prioritize urgent emails, using the unread filter can keep these emails front and center. Alternatively, if you're an organizational enthusiast and need to view only flagged emails, this functionality is here to assist. For those of you who frequently receive multiple emails with attachments and prefer to focus on them, the With Attachments filter will ensure you can quickly access those critical files without scrolling through your entire inbox. Each of these filters can significantly improve your email management and efficiency. Once you've selected a filter that fits your needs, you'll notice your email view adjusts accordingly. This real-time sorting is not only incredibly helpful but also intuitive, allowing you to easily toggle between filter types as your tasks and priorities change throughout the day. Keep in mind, while using filters is great for initial sorting, creating custom rules for your email inbox can take this organization a step further. However, that's a topic for another day. Now, one thing to note is that filters do not perform an action on the emails themselves, such as deleting or moving messages. They only change how your emails are displayed within the inbox. If you're interested in applying permanent changes to your emails, you might want to explore other features within Outlook, such as creating rules or using folders to manage emails proactively. One handy tip to remember is that if you ever want to reset your inbox to its default view after applying a filter, simply revisit the filter menu and select all, and your complete list of emails will appear once again. This is a quick way to ensure you're always viewing your desired subset of emails, no matter how many times you change the filter. As we wrap up, take a moment to experiment with these filters right after watching this video to get a feel for which options best suit your daily needs. With regular use, you'll find your inbox is not only easier to manage, but significantly less stressful. Similar strategies can be applied across other email platforms, combining these approaches to elevate your overall email experience. That's all for now. I hope you found these steps straightforward and insightful, empowering you to take control of your email experience. If you have any additional questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.